Hi there, this is Christine Fitzgerald, the high school maths tutor. Today's question is, solve the equation tan of 2x plus pi over 4 equals negative root 3 and get all the solutions between 0 and 2 pi. Tan of what angle equals root 3? Now that's one that you really should know by memory. Tan of 60 degrees, or radians for us, tan of pi on 3 equals root 3. But we need negative root 3, so we need to choose the appropriate quadrants. Unit circle. We're in radians, so we deal with radians. All are positive there. Sine is positive in the second quadrant. Tan is positive, cos is positive. So the places where tan is negative are here and here, just the second and fourth quadrants. So if we're pi over 3 away from the horizontal in those two quadrants, the values of 2x plus pi on 4 that we're considering are pi minus pi on 3, which is negative 2 pi, positive 2 pi on 3, and 2 pi minus pi on 3, which is 5 pi on 3. So at the moment, that's what we have for 2x plus pi on 4. However, there's a 2 in front of the x. That will eventually be divided, so the answers will get smaller, which means there may be more which fit into our domain. And if we're going to divide by 2, it's usually safest to get twice as many. If you're dividing by 3, get 3 times as many. So let's go around the second lap of the circle. 2 pi on 3 plus a whole circle of 2 pi will give us 8 pi on 3. And 5 pi on 3, a whole lap later, so we need to add 6 pi, will give us 11 pi on 3. Now we solve. So subtract the pi on 4. I'd suggest you use your calculator here to help you with the fractions. But 2 pi on 3 minus pi on 4 is 5 pi on 12. 5 pi on 3 minus pi on 4 is 17 pi on 12. 8 pi on 3 minus pi on 4 for this one gives us 29 pi on 12. And 11 pi on 3 minus pi on 4 is 41 pi on 12 from the calculator. Now divide the 2 away because we are trying to solve for x. So x will be 5 pi over 24, 17 pi over 24, 29 pi over 24, and 41 pi over 24. We're basically done. We've solved the equation, but the only question that remains in my mind is, through the subtracting of pi on 4, have we gone outside the domain at all? Or is there in fact room for another solution or two at either end? So just to be safe, it is best to check one more value at each end and see if they fit into the domain. Now all of our answers are positive, yes, and less than 2 pi, so they're all acceptable. But if I go one before this domain, I'd be taking negative pi on 3. And if I go one after my 2 laps that I've already got, so it would be 4 pi plus the 2 pi on 3, which is 14 pi on 3. Okay, let's, just to be really safe, check these 2 out. Now minus the pi on 4 again will give you minus 7 pi on 12, and at the other end you will get 53 pi on 12, and divide it by 2, negative 7 pi over 24 and 53 pi over 24. Now this is outside our domain, we can't take negative values, and this 2 pi would be 48 pi over 24, so it's also outside the domain. So we didn't get to include any extras, but at least we know for sure. So the solution is x equals 5 pi on 24, 17 pi on 24, 29 pi on 24, and 41 pi on 24. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any queries, please post a comment below, and I'll see you next time. Thank you, bye.